If you're looking to combine a proposal, contract, and invoice all into one link, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to combine all three into one streamlined link, saving you time and making your workflow more efficient. So you've probably used various tools to create proposals, contracts, and invoices separately, but have you ever wished you could combine them into a single link for easy sharing with clients? That's exactly what we're going to do today. Stick around till the end because I'm going to reveal a free trial to the software I'm using here, exclusively for you, my viewers, so you can follow along with me. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to choose a software that integrates proposal creation, contract generation, and invoicing. The software we'll be using today can handle all three functions. It's all in one, making it incredibly easy to manage these documents in a way that feels seamless and professional. Start by creating your proposal. This software allows you to input the necessary details, services, pricing, terms, and it instantly formats them into a clean, professional proposal. Once you've got that down, move to the contract section. Here, you can either use a customizable template or create your own contract. This part is especially useful if you want to include legal terms and conditions that tie directly into the proposal you've already made. Now, after creating both the proposal and contract, it's time to move on to the invoice. This software allows you to set up a professional invoice that reflects the pricing details you put in your proposal. You can add taxes, discounts, and any other adjustments you might need. Once all three documents, your proposal, contract, and invoice, are ready, you can link them together. This software automatically generates a single link for all of them. Now, when you send that link to your client, they'll be able to access everything they need all in one place. No more juggling multiple documents or confusing back and forth emails. Now, here's a key takeaway. Combining a proposal, contract, and invoice into one link not only saves you time, but also enhances your professionalism. It's a streamlined solution that keeps your process efficient and your clients happy. Quick recap. You create your proposal, follow up with your contract, generate the invoice, and then you combine them all into one simple link. That's it. You now have an all-in-one solution for sharing your proposals, contracts, and invoices with clients in a matter of minutes. Before I close, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below. You can follow along with the exact software I'm using, which can help you combine all your documents into one link, just like we've done today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.